Hey everyone, I'm Amelia. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll guide you through the process of downloading shaders for Roblox to make your game look amazing. To get started, select the game for which you want to install shaders. I want to use shaders in Murder Mystery. It makes the game so much more enjoyable. First, click the Start button. After that, click the Inspect button. Locate the Network button. It could be represented by a Wi-Fi symbol, and click it. Next, reload the page. You will see a list scroll up within it. Look for the game title at the top of the list. Click on the name with the right mouse button after copy it as PowerShell. After that, go to the Blox Tools website, scroll all the way down, and paste what you copied. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped.